What's up everyone? Exciting day. I'm going to start the Civic, drive around to the new house, park it in the garden, and just have to move everything from this house to the new house now. So I'm going to pump up all the wheels and jump start the car. Oh, I love you.
Me too. Uh-oh. And that's the sound of failure.
That's just the exhaust when it's hanging low. I have to get looked at. Just so slow. It's not fast like the Mini, is it?
It is. It's the same amount.
No, it's not.
Well, it's almost. The Mini is faster, but this car is fast too. And your blue Civic was fast.
This is the test. I call that a success. Even though me and one Callie was like, oh, success, failure. Yeah, the exhaust is hanging really low in the middle of the car, so every ramp you go over, it's hitting. So it's going down to my mate's garage to get an NCT check. So he's going to go over the car, check the brakes, check the handbrake, check the clearance, make sure everything's okay for the NCT. I know all the lights work in the car. The everything, yeah, wipers work, all the settings work. So Here's the first setting, second setting, and the fast setting. So they all work. Headlights work, full beams, and then this light comes on when you put the high beams on. So everything works. The horn works. Oh, dusty. So everything works. All the lights come on. Hazards work. So everything works. All the windows open and close. Back windows. That one works perfect. That one works perfect. And obviously the two front close. Now there is a problem. There's a crack in the windscreen, as you can see. It was tiny. I covered it with this and it was only to here, but a football hit it and it cracked all the way down to here. You can't really see it on the camera. You can't see it on the camera, but it's all the way to here now. So car needs a new windscreen. Everything works. I'm gonna try and get these hooked up. These don't light up when you open the door. See when I open the door? This is supposed to light up. You may wired up the hazards when the door is open, so has an alarm. So yeah, everything works. So I'm happy with how it turned out. It still needs its side skirts. I ordered OEM wind visors for the car, so they'll be nice. They'll be here in the next few weeks. The interior's finished. It's a complete SIR 1 from a 1992 to 94 SIR Civic. I had to fix this. There's a black trim that goes on that just there. That's why it's sagging down. That gets pushed up at the back. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Civic for the moment. It's going down to my mates, as I said. It's going to get a full check. What I do want to get for the car is I want to get OEM shocks with lowering springs. It's about 300 quid, which isn't bad because good coilovers are about €800. I've been looking into them. I don't like the feel of coilovers. Coilovers are very harsh and bouncy, but I can get OEM shocks front and rear with a 40mm drop all round for $350, I think it was, delivered. So just do a bit of saving for that. We've loads of stuff to buy for the house and the effort of moving, so that's what I'm going to concentrate on doing today. But I will pick up after here and be doing stuff on the EG6 and the Mini. I'm going to get bits done on the Mini. I haven't done anything with the Mini for a long time. So yeah guys, I'll see you in a bit when I'm in the garage. Thanks for watching. Peace out. So no, I'm not in the garage. I'm in a new house. The past few days, packing, unpacking. It's been a long process. Nearly there though. Just the most important bits are done, like TVs on the wall. Just loads to do. I've been super busy doing it, working, but now I am on 2 weeks holiday, well 12 days holiday. So I will be down the garage in the next day or two. The puppy out the back sleeping. What's he like? Oh god. Tired from the move. But yeah, I do plan on being down the garage in the next few days. I'm picking up a little car tomorrow off my cousin, as I got rid of the other Civic. That was my daily drive. So I'm picking up a little car tomorrow, and I'll stick it in the video. Why not? We'll have a look at it. You'll love it. Yeah, it should be good fun. But yeah guys, once I get sorted in the house, I'm going to have more content anyway of the Mini, the Civic, the new build that I bought, and the other little car that I'm picking up tomorrow. Sure, why not? It's a good fun little car. So yeah guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'll give this one an upload, but in the next video there will be Mini content, there will be EG6 content, there will be content on the red Civic as well, as that's going down to my friends. Hopefully this week or next week, get that car sorted, ready for the NCT, get a new windscreen fitted, NCT it and drive it until I'm ready to do the K20 swap. So guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate all your support. We're getting up to 400 subscribers, hopefully soon anyway. And when we hit 500, I'm going to do a big raffle, big competition anyway, for either cash or merch. I'll give it a look into before I do promise anything. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Right, guys, I have one of these wood burners. My friend Adam got it for me. Cheers, Adam. He got it for me about a year and a half ago, and I've used it a good bit, and it needs a bit of work. So I'm just going to give you a look at it now. I sanded it down, and I'll stick in a quick hyperlapse of me doing the sanding down now. So there it is, all sanded down, all nice and tidy. So I'm going to give it a coat of black and see how it comes up. Typical, you try and get stuff done and it starts raining. What are you selling?
Drinks.
$3.50 for a biscuit.
And a drink.
And a drink. $3.50 for a biscuit and a drink. Eat your heart out, Costa. Madness. Kids, say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, typical. Start something, starts raining. Finish up later. The reason I painted it white, it's actually this right here. Anti-rust metal protection paint. But it's a primer. So I'm gonna rattle can it afterwards black, if I have black in the boot of the Civic. So just gonna check the boot of the Civic now. So I only have a bit of gloss black and a bit of matte black, so hopefully I get it all done with that. But unfortunately, here comes the rain. Now it's a bit patchy, but I don't really give a shit. I didn't prep it properly, so I just needed to get rid of the rust off it. But it's all black now again. A lot tighter than it was. Was in bits, full of rust. So yeah, that's the fire pit done and ready to burn some wood. Well everyone, that's it for the video. I'm going to head down to the garage tonight, so I'll get some more content on the other cars for you tonight. Bit of decent weather now, so I'm going to actually do stuff with the garden and a bit inside the house. So yeah guys, enjoy the video, smash that like button, subscribe, please share, appreciate it all. See you in the next one. Peace.